Some Taylor Swift fans heading to Eras tour might not be able to enter Canada due to past DUIs. Many Taylor Swift fans have expressed their shock after learning they may not be able to cross the Canadian border for the Eras tour's final stop in Vancouver. For some Swifties, their biggest worry is that either they or someone in their traveling party won't be allowed entry into Canada due to a previous DUI. Canadian law restricts anyone who has committed or been convicted of a crime from entering the border. Some of the crimes in that category include theft, assault, manslaughter, dangerous driving, and driving under the influence. According to Canada's official government website, driving while impaired, which includes being under the influence of alcohol or drugs, is considered to be an inadmissible offense. This means that any traveler who has received a DUI is not allowed to enter the country, per the Commonwealth's immigration laws. However, a Canadian immigration officer will decide if any one person can enter Canada when they arrive at the border or apply for a visa. A traveler may also enter if they were granted a record suspension. If the traveler has a valid reason for visiting Canada, they may be issued a temporary resident permit. The permit also comes with a processing fee of $239 Canadian dollars and 75 cents, which amounts to around $170 US. Still, having a concert ticket, even for the Eras tour, might not be a good enough reason to be let in the country. Many Swifties have turned to social media for help from others who have been in their shoes. While some have considered playing it safe by contemplating selling their highly coveted tickets, others have wondered if attempting to cross the border will be worth the risk. Fellow fans have offered advice and encouraged them to speak to an immigration lawyer about the matter prior to traveling. For Swifties who are concerned about their eligibility, there are some steps they can take that could increase their odds of successfully entering the country. Travelers can make their case to the border agent by explaining that they meet the legal terms to be deemed rehabilitated, which means that enough time has passed since the crime was committed. In all cases, a person can be deemed rehabilitated as long as the crime committed has a maximum prison term of less than 10 years. Canada also considers someone rehabilitated if at least 5 years have passed since the crime was committed and the person has not had any additional run-ins with the law. It is important to note that every situation is different. Attempting to cross the border while having a DUI on a person's record is a risky maneuver, since the decision will fall under each border agent's discretion. Some fans shared online that they were turned away by the agent immediately. Others advised those taking the risk to be courteous to the agents during their encounters. Swift's Vancouver shows kick off on Friday, December 6th. The pop star will take the stage for 3 nights before bidding the Eras tour farewell on Sunday, December 8th.